So I just noticed that I didn't set an intro for this video. We are going to it's a sliding and a drag strip at Piedmont Drag Strip. Stay tuned. Shout out Omi the Hellcat rocking the hat. A little slow, little light, little meat. But stay tuned, man. I got some, you know what I mean, some other stuff other than car things on the channel coming up. You know what I mean? I gotta explore, you know what I mean? I gotta, you know what I mean, take off. But shout out Omi the Hellcat, you know what I mean? Let's get this video. Let's get these views up. Follow me if you don't follow me. Subscribe if you don't subscribe. I don't know what you're doing. I'm gonna be dropping bangers, nothing but bangers. And like Omi says, get over here. That's a Z06. I think it's an EcoBoost, man. A little custom deck lid. Not too bad. I like the rims on it. I appreciate that.
Is that your car?
Yeah.
I love pretty.
Damn. Oh damn, oh damn, oh damn, oh damn, oh damn.
I'm about to pull off in a second.
Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh, the boy's out. The boy's out.
Damn, you made it.
Yeah. Yeah, I seen that shit. My twin. My twin. We a little dirty, my twin, but it's okay. Oh, Sheriff. Okay. I see the little. Sheesh. To be honest, I think this is just the Mustang meat, honestly. It's just the Mustang meat, honestly. We just chilling though. We let everybody else have the fun. We just chilling. Here you go, GT500 right here. Sheesh. Look at these. Look at on the side of that one. Oh my gig. Oh man. These things hard, my boy. Yeah, dang, you got the snake on it. This you? It's beautiful.
That's my wife's hot rod.
This one? For real? Yeah, he said the ugly 5.0. I didn't even see that. Sheesh. This is wife's right here. Oh yeah, I'm about to get it on camera. I gotta get my mom's truck looking like this. Mom's Jeep. This bitch nasty, 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 nasty. Sheesh. Like I said, man, stain meat. Stain fucking meat. Track halt. You don't believe me? You don't believe me? Yeah. Idiot. Big body. Ellie. Beautiful. Did she stop? No. We gotta see this. Pretty one. Pretty boy.
Made it all cows.
He's gonna be left.
If I knew someone,
I think it's good. They're gonna switch drivers.
Tag said LOL SRT. Family goals. Female driven. Love the color on this one. Love the color on this one. Whatever it takes, man. Whatever it takes. Another M series M5. M5. 5-0 versus Hellcat. Let me see. Let's see. Okay, pull it back up. See if he don't take a L. Yeah, launch control and everything. Fail. Fail, fail. Sliding. Sliding, sliding. Damn, Mopar don't know, you know how to line it up, man. Look at it, you see the galaxy on that bitch? Dang, that's it, that's the end of that. That's just like a slight, you know, slight little meat. Yeah, I'm in the meat. That's just a little sliding and drag meat. Had to get the footage out, man. V6 Mafia, V6 game. But yeah, man, that's all that's gonna be happening in this video, man. I'm all done here. Closing her out until the next one.